Hello everyone, this is Rin, owner and designer at Blessing by Design. Today I'm going to introduce our new and updated 2020 to 2021 Highlighter Student Digital Planner. I'm so excited to show off all the features and templates in this planner and all the improvements we've made from the previous version. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new digital planner video from us. Now let's get started. Welcome to the new 2020 to 2021 Highlighter Student Digital Planner. Isn't it pretty? Right off the bat, if you're familiar from the previous version of this planner, you'll be able to tell that we changed the background. We received some feedback from you guys saying that the planner background was too boring and the wood didn't fit the style of the planner. We listened, and now the background matches the cover and makes the whole planner much brighter and more fun. We've also cleaned the planner up a little bit as well, and you'll see some of those changes here soon. But just like in our previous version, the tabs on the top will take you to the front cover, the year overview, which is one way you can access all the weeks and months in the year, and you can access all the templates this planner comes with. Then it has these 6 unmarked tabs, which allow you to organize your templates any way you want. You can make each tab a class with your notes and assignments, or you can make each tab a collection of different templates. Then along the right side here are all the month tabs, which correspond to each month from August 2020 to July 2021. When you tap on the tab, you will see the month tab page. Then if you swipe to the left, you see the month overview. We've updated the month overview pages to be much cleaner and easier to use. We heard feedback that the squares in the previous version were a little too small, so now they're a little larger and cleaner. Also, now you tap on these week buttons to navigate to that week's week at a glance, instead of tapping on the day numbers. To access the week at a glance pages, you can tap the respective week in the year at a glance page, the respective week at a glance button on the monthly page, or you can just swipe to the page. Also, we heard feedback that the weeks at a glance that only contained one day seemed disconnected from the rest of its week, making it difficult when planning. So now every single week of the planner has all 7 days, even if the month starts on Saturday. Next, we have the Extras tab, which contains all the links to all the templates in this planner. Anything from assignment tracking to an expense sheet to the blank graph, dot grid, and ruled pages. Also, along the side here, there are 10 completely blank pages for you to make your own templates. Finally, there is the Help section. Now this planner has the most extensive help section of any of our planners here at Blessing by Design. Not only does it show you how the planner works, but it also gives you some tips on how to use the templates efficiently. You can access the help section through this question mark on every single page in the planner. On this page, you'll find an index to the entire help section as well as links to our YouTube channel, website, and social media. These diagrams give a description for each page, as well as tips and examples on how you can use each template. The help section also includes instructions on how to import your planner onto your iPad and how to add planning pages to your planner. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for all the feedback on this planner. I'm really excited about all the changes that were made, and I think y'all will too. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!